my name is Tamara Palmer. I'm a coach for Haywire Robotics, which is our local high school robotics team. We are running a camp called Journey into Robotics. We're using VEX V5 kits. Students are learning about the engineering portion of building with metal and figuring out how to build things. And then they'll also be building a base robot plus creating a claw robot that they can interact with objects, create games. They're keeping an engineering notebook of what they've learned and what they can do better in the future. They will have the chance to create a game that they will each get turns playing each other's games on the last day of the camp, where parents can see all that they've learned. They're going to be learning to code with blocks and how to do coding autonomous and also to run a driving robot. This will set them up that they can do any type of robotics program within their schools. Locally, we have our high school team that does FIRST Robotics. There's also a FIRST Robotics team in Idaho Falls. And then 2, almost 3 of our middle schools here in town will also have Lego robotics, and all of these skills can be used in those areas. Most high schools also have robotics classes, and this will teach them the base skills, including using a notebook to keep track of their ideas and things that work and don't work.